Primetime News this evening, there's hope. Surgeon weighs in on procedure for 11-month-old conjoined twins. Manchester promoters storm out of town hall meeting with National Security Minister. And from garden to river, the plight of operators of Jamaica's premier botanical gardens.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome if you're watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands or online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Kalisha Williams. A little later on, we'll have the financial week.
And Spencer Darlington is here to tell us what's coming up in sports. Spencer.
Thank you very much, Gia. Well, the West Indies women have made their exit from the T20 World Cup at the semi-final stage. We'll give you the details on that and much more in Primetime Sports later.
There's also sport commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, who is your favorite national hero and why?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Looking forward to these responses.
Exactly.
Mine is Marcus Garvey, for obvious reasons. Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.